You may be thinking that since you are finally finishing this academy, that you should be able to go out there and make millions. Well, I've got some news for you. You've barely scratched the surface. Forex trading is difficult, and especially for new traders, a lot fail and give up because they are not able to handle it psychologically. Basically, it's as if you never picked up a basketball in your entire life, but you've taken a bomb course on the fundamentals of how to play. Obviously, you would pick up the basketball, put up your first shot, and probably airball. But that's okay, because at least you have the knowledge now to begin trading in the market with the right habits, and you have a sense of where to start. The only thing left is practice. The Forex world is complex and dynamic and is ruled by banks and hedge funds with large amounts of capital that like to feast on the Forex noobs. So you have to practice, develop your skills, and trade as good as the banks. You have to take this seriously, but if you have a passion and really commit to learning this skill, you can change your life forever and get a piece of the huge pie of over $5 trillion a day that's traded in the Forex market. You can do it. Move on to the next sections for more advice on how to trade like the banks.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you join our free Discord channel to get access to all the cheat sheets and a bunch of other cool bonuses. The next video in the course is right here.